Good Sunday morning, everyone. So I think we're gonna take a trip up to Seattle. We were gonna take a ferry, but being that it's like 19 degrees outside, yeah, no, I'm not taking a ferry because I like to stand outside. But I think we're gonna go up to Seattle. Well, it's not raining, but it's not sunny, and it's a winter wonderland outside because it's like 19 degrees. Yay, cold. Well guys, I don't know if you can see that, but it's starting to flurry. Snow, flurry. And yeah, I'm out here with no shoes. That's how crazy I am. But and it's kind of starting to, I don't know, you can't really see it. It's starting to snow. Yay!
It doesn't look like it's gonna stop.
That is awesome. So we were thinking about going to Seattle, but it started snowing. And I'm looking here on my Google Maps on the computer, and there's accidents everywhere, even though it's like a trace of snow. Look at this. Accident after accident. So we're probably just gonna stay home today, just because I don't want to deal with traffic.
Still like 4 hours away, but
yeah, it's still snowing out here, and it's starting to cover more. It's a winter wonderland. Everybody wants coffee today. So Brenna just noticed that our furnace shoots flames inside of it. Take that, Prius. Snow. Lots of snow.
Hey Mom, is it snowing again? You know what?
It is really snowing now, and it is really sticking, but the roads aren't too bad. There's a few spots that are kind of bad, but for the most part it's pretty good. So the Farmer's Almanac people says we're supposed to have a mild winter, so apparently this is what a mild winter looks like. I think someone flipped up. It's like hail flakes coming off of the windshield. It's crazy. So we decided that we were gonna go to the mall and not go to Seattle, but we're gonna go to the mall near Seattle. Yay, malls! So it's like still snowing, but the snow is like hail snow. It's kind of weird. I guess maybe because it's Washington snow. I don't know. We need a new TV. Yay! Oh yeah. Does anybody know if they closed down Rainforest Cafe in South Center because it's not open anymore? Yes, we had to come to the Disney store so Brenna could look around. Oh, I like the Disney store too, I admit it. So I just looked online and found out that the Rainforest Cafe in Seattle at South Center is permanently closed. So Brenna doesn't like that. I thought they were okay, but I thought there's better restaurants for the same price, but yeah, they're closed, and Brenna's a little upset about that, but she'll get over it, because we'll go, when we get down to Florida, we'll go to one. Yum, yum. Well, it's time for bed, It's 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock. And I have to go to work tomorrow. That was a nice 3 days off though. But anyways, I'm gonna do a time lapse at the end of this video and of driving in the snow. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys later.